Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. I welcome you to English grade 8 video lessons. This is your instructor Zia Hamid. I hope that you're doing well and you are enjoying your learning. Now we are talking about our unit number 2, greenhouse effect and our world. This will be our lecture number 6A with the competency of oral communication, and we will be seeing play performing and mock interview. Now let's read our student learning outcome for this lesson. The SLO is perform a drama or play script showing different roles and scenarios through deliberate choice of dialogues or speech, gestures and movements. Dear learners, since this is about oral communication, we will be seeing that how to perform and also perform a drama or script showing different roles and scenarios, different scenes, and also through our deliberate dialogues, our choice of dialogues or speech, and also movements and gestures that we make when we are communicating or when we are performing something. So this is all about our student learning outcome of oral communication. Here is a vertical linkage of this SLO with the previous grade. You have gone through it, you have read it. I want you to recall, if you can, about the previous grade's SLO. Time to storm your brains a little bit with our interesting brainstorming session. Here I have a very simple and quick question for you. What is a play? Have you ever heard about the word play? And have you seen one? Now, I hope that you have answered it correctly. We are talking about two topics today: plays and dialogues in different scenarios. Now, let's get started with play. Now, let's read what is a play in oral communication and what it is basically. So, a play is a story that is written to be performed by actors on a stage. Here we have seen that it will be performed by actors, and the setting will be on a stage. It usually includes dialogue, characters and directions for plays, serious or a mix of both. They are a type of literature meant to be seen and heard, not just. So plays are basically they are falling in performing arts. You perform the play and the audience watches it. It's falling in the category of literature, and it is a fictional kind of literature. Now we can see that here we have a story to perform by actors on a stage. This is all about play, and it is supposed to be seen and heard rather than just reading it. And you can read so many different plays, and you can download them or buy plays from the bookstore. Now let's talk about a play script. A play script is the written text of a play. So it's composed of two words, play and script. It includes the dialogue that characters speak and instructions for the actors and directors, such as movements, expressions and stage directions. The script is like a blueprint that guides the performance. So we know that play is a story that is performed, but the story, the dialogues, the scenes, movements and everything, this is what we call in its written form, it is what we call a play script. So play script is the first thing when we perform a play, or when we want to actually write a play. You write the script of the play. Now let's talk about play performance. A play performance is when a play is acted out live on stage by actors in front of an audience. This involves actors memorizing lines, using props and costumes, following the director's instructions to bring the story to life. So, play performance is actually when the play is being performed in front of the audience. The actors they memorize their lines, they perform the dialogues, the movements and everything, and we watch it to get ourselves entertained or learn something new. Now, plays are of different kinds. This is about academic purpose plays. Plays are performed for several academic purposes such as cultural awareness, developing oral skills, and effective use of body language in conversations. So, in your school, your college, you can perform different kind of plays. You will be given an opportunity to perform plays in on culture day or on any other specific, or also to enhance your communication oral skills. You can be assigned a project to perform. You can be given a role to perform play, so you can be a part of the play if you really want to. So in academic purpose play, this is about enhancing your academic skills and ultimately your oral and communication skills. Let's move forward with our other topic, which is about mock interviews. So what are mock interviews? These are intrapersonal dialogues, conversations from the basis of plays. Students can learn and practice the basic intrapersonal mock interview. In order to enhance your communication skills and your oral communication skills, you will be given a chance to be a part of a mock interview, which is about practicing your oral communication and your speaking skills. They are based on your intrapersonal dialogue. This will be about you. One person will be the interviewer and the other one will be the interviewee, and you can conduct a mock interview for practice. Now let's see why do we do mock interviews. A mock interview is a practice interview about a real interview scenario. It's designed to help individuals, often job seekers, students or professionals, prepare for actual job interviews or other important interviews. The purpose of the interview is to provide candidates with a chance to experience the interview process, receive feedback, and improve their interview skills. My dear learners, having good interview skills are very important. When you will be looking for a job, when you will be hiring someone, you will be conducting interviews. Either you will be the interviewer or the interviewee. Hence, you need to know about interview skills. This is why we use mock interviews to make you fluent and efficient in interviews. Now, here is a very quick simulation video for your better understanding. You can watch it later. Now, moving on, we have a classroom activity for you. This is a mock interview. You will be assigned to research a script for a mock news report of the future world affected by severe change. Now, you will be assigned to research a script for a mock news report. Now, this is what you are supposed to do, followed by these instructions that are given. Let's move forward. We are here at the end with some resources for you: presentation, lesson plan, and a question bank. All these are attached in the description of the video. You can access them easily. Thank you. I hope that you had great time learning about plays, what different plays we have, play performance, and also academic purpose plays. You also saw that what are interviews, why do we conduct mock interviews especially, and why they are important. Till the next video lesson, this is your instructor Zia Hamid signing off. Allah Hafiz.